Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all, my dear family and my lovely friends? I hope my all sweet friends are good. God bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much for watching my previous videos and supporting me. Secondly, friends, you can see in this video I am providing you gorgeous and trendy beautiful matte nail art ideas. So friends, don't skip this video, watch the video start to end, because all these designs are so stunning and so unique and useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful matte nail art ideas. So share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of nail art ideas. I really hope that they will love this beautiful collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors combination. So in this video you will see different colors and different decent and unique matte nail paint ideas. You can must apply this beautiful nail art on your nails for more beautiful and classical look. Thank you so much friends for watching this video. For those people who are searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your nail art. So friends, if you all love these articles and if you want more designs, more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Be connected with me friends. Remember me in your precious prayers. Okay friends, see you soon. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.